Hello, everyone. After a decade in this business, we've seen just about everything. And today, I'm going to share what we have actually confirmed through our experience in the repair shop. The Peloton XPO connection error appears when the bike is unable to communicate properly with the internet or Peloton's online services. In simple terms, the screen may turn on normally, but the bike cannot load classes, sync data, or access online features. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, "The screen turns on, but I can't join any classes," or "My Wi-Fi works on other devices, but my Peloton won't connect." And here's the important part. Many times, the bike doesn't have a serious hardware failure. Instead, it's usually a communication issue between the network, the software, and the equipment itself. The first thing we check is the Wi-Fi connection. A weak signal, a recent router password change, or interference near the bike can trigger this error. As one of our technicians says, before thinking about replacing parts, we need to confirm that the bike is actually receiving a strong and stable connection. Some customers also tell us the problem started after a system update. In those cases, performing a complete restart of both the bike and the router can help clear temporary communication errors. If the connection is working properly and the issue continues, then we start checking for possible internal problems, such as network module failures, loose connection cables, or software issues with the display. Even if the bike appears to work normally, a communication component could still be preventing it from connecting correctly. Peloton recommends checking the network connection, restarting the equipment, verifying software updates, and if necessary, performing a system reset. So far, the company has not reported any widespread manufacturing defects specifically related to the XPO error. If the error continues after these checks, the best option is to contact Peloton support or a qualified technician to inspect the internal connections and determine whether the problem is related to the software, the display, or another communication component.